Go.
Pursed lip breathing, or PLB in short, it is a breathing exercise that can help people with breathing problems or when there is air trapped in their lungs. So it is generally done with instructing the patient to breathe in through their nose slowly and breathe out through their mouth with their lips pursed much more slowly. So if the patient breathes in through their nose like for 2 seconds, then you instruct the patients to breathe out through their mouth with their lips pursed for 4 seconds. So generally the exhalation is longer than inhalation. So this exercise can help the patients to clear out the extra carbon dioxide that is trapped in their lungs and help get more oxygen into their blood. It is also considered a relaxation technique that can lower the patient's anxiety and make them feel overall better. So in essence, it is a cheap and simple and effective technique that can be taught to patients to help with their breathing problems. So in COPD or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, so PLB helps the patients to keep their airways open when it is blocked by either mucus or when it is damaged. So there is a clear obstruction in the airway flow. So it fixes problems like high airway resistance that trap that carbon dioxide in the lungs and block oxygen from reaching the tiny air sacs called alveoli in the lungs.
So good afternoon po. Yung gagawin ko pong exercise ay yung pursed lip breathing. So usually ginagamit po siya for cases of COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. So yung gagawin po natin or yung instruct natin kay patient ay first of all, ipag-breathe po natin siya or pag-inhale po natin siya. Tapos bibilangin po natin ilang seconds siya nag-inhale. Tapos usually po times 2 lang po siya. Times 2 then pag-exhale po natin siya. So kumbaga, dapat yung exhale niya po mas matagal kumpara sa inhale po niya. So yung gagawin natin, so sir, relax lang po kayo. Yan po. Tapos inhale po tayo. Yan. Tapos sa pag-exhale po natin, dapat parang nag-blow po tayo ng candle. Okay po. Yan po. Mas mabagal po yung pag-exhale natin kumpara sa pag-inhale po natin. So, bibilang lang po ako ng 1 or 2 seconds sa inhale. Tapos 4 seconds naman po sa exhale. Sundan nyo na lang po yun. Okay po? Okay po. So first, inhale po tayo. 1, 2. O exhale naman po tayo. Blow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Isa pa po. Inhale po tayo. 1, 2. Okay? Exhale naman. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos usually ulitin lang po yun for around 5 reps and 2 sets po. Ganun.